If f of x equals 3x minus 4 and g of x equals x squared, which statement below is true? Okay, so it asks us about f of 4, g of 4, f of 5, g of 5. To get any of these values, we can either plug in 4 or 5 to each function, or we can use our calculator. So we're going to go straight to the calculator, starting with f of x. Similar to the last problem, you could think of any function like as the number cruncher, that you have a number that you put in and a different number comes out. Okay, so we had said whenever you see f of x, any function, you can put this on your calculator into y equals. So we're going to type in our first function, 3x minus 4. Okay. If we go second graph to the table of values, we can now look at what happens when we put in any value. We can see what the matching output is. We don't need any value. We just need to see what happens for f of 4 and f of 5. Okay, so when we input a 4, the table says we're going to get 8, right? We have a table for f of x. 4 gives us 8. And 5 gives us 11. Okay. So this tells us that anytime we see f of 4, it really just means 8. And anytime we see f of 5, it really just means 11. Okay, let's do this again for the next machine, or the next number cruncher, g of x. We go to y equals, and we'll put in this function, x to the second. Same idea, we want to know what does g of 4 really mean, and what does g of 5 really mean. We go to the table of values, and again, the only values we know we're interested in are 4 and 5. At 4, the matching y value is 16, or the output is 16. At 5, it's 25. So in this machine, if you put in a 4, you get out 16. If you input a 5, your output is a 25. So anytime we see g of 4, that really just means 16. And anytime we see g of 5, that just means 25. So now let's see what's true. Is 8 bigger than 16? No. Is 8 bigger than 25? No. Is 11 bigger than 16? No. Is 11 less than 16? Yeah, that one's true. And choice 4 is our answer.